Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Porsche of Nashua in Nashua, New Hampshire, we have the 2016 Porsche Cayman GT4. Started the day with the Boxster Spider, now onto the GT4. Just trying to figure out how to lower the carbon bucket seat. Just figured it out, so now I gotta readjust all this. Oh yeah, it was all the way up. I was like, you can't drive like that. All right, let's take a peek here. 385 horse, same as the Boxster Spider, I do believe. Guards red over black leather with red contrast stitching, nice carbon. All right, wing supports in black. Porsche dynamic light system, headlight cleaning system and deviated exterior color. Sport chrono pack. Extended range fuel tank, satin black wheels, deviated stitching, steering wheel and gear lever in leather, full bucket seat, smoking pack, even though it's a non-smoker car, luggage net and passenger footwell. Oh, that's that. Fire extinguisher, seatbelts and guards red, Alcantara storage cover. Carbon fiber interior pack, center console trim and carbon, and CDR plus audio system. Oh, GT4. One of my favorite Porsches. That's a better driving position. This is more comfortable. Like I said, I drove this thing with the seat all the way up, and I was like, there's no way this is normal. There's no way. Oh, what a fun car. It's comfort suspension. What about this? Actually, you know what? This is comfortable. The Boxster Spider had the, not the bucket seats, the sport seats. These are actually a little bit more comfortable. These fit me perfect, and I'm plus size. I'm an American, and I fit well in these. These actually might be some of the more comfortable seats I've been in. It's not a Rolls Royce, but What a car. What a car. I gotta say, Porsche knows how to make cars. You know, there's just something so fun about these cars, and I can never put a finger on it, and I really hope I never do, and I'll just keep driving them until I find out. I love these things. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.